Today, you will learn how to clear recent documents in Microsoft Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. You will usually see the home screen. On this screen, Word displays different templates and also a Recent section. This Recent section contains files that you opened recently in Microsoft Word. To remove a single document from the Recent Documents list, move your mouse pointer over the file name you want to remove. Then right-click on that file. A small menu will appear on the screen. In this menu, click on the option called Remove from List. As soon as you click it, that file will disappear instantly from the Recent list. You won't even see a confirmation message. The next file in the list will automatically move up and take its place. Remember, removing a file from the Recent Documents list does not delete the actual file from your computer. Your document is still completely safe and saved in its original folder. This only removes the shortcut or history entry from Word's Recent Files list. Now, let's say you don't want any recent documents to appear at all. In that case, you can disable the Recent Documents section completely. To do this, look at the bottom left corner of the Microsoft Word home screen and click on Options. If you already have a document open, you can click on File first and then choose Options from the menu. Inside the Word Options window, look at the left sidebar and click on Advanced. After clicking Advanced, you will see many settings on the right side. Don't worry, just scroll down slowly until you find the section called Display. In the Display section, look for the setting that says Show this number of recent documents. You will see a number beside it, such as 10, 25, or another number, depending on your Word settings. This number controls how many recent files Word shows on the home screen. Click inside that box and change it to 0. You can either use the small arrows beside the box or simply type 0 manually using your keyboard. After changing it to 0, click the OK button at the bottom of the window to save your changes. Now close Microsoft Word and open it again. This time, you'll notice that the Recent Documents list is completely empty. No recently opened files will appear anymore. What you actually did was tell Microsoft Word to show 0 recent documents, so Word hides the entire Recent Files section. If later you decide you want the recent documents back again, don't worry because you can easily enable it anytime. Just open Microsoft Word, go back to File, then Options, and click on Advanced one more time. In the Display this number of recent documents box, enter any number you want, like 10 or 20, depending on how many recent files you want Word to remember. Then click OK. After doing this, the Recent Documents section will start appearing again on the Word home screen whenever you open files in Microsoft Word. Another useful thing to know is that this setting only changes the recent documents inside Microsoft Word. It does not affect your saved documents, folders, or files on your computer. Everything remains safe and unchanged. If this video helped you learn something new about Microsoft Word, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.